This video guide will help you rebuild a system back to Windows and ready to autopilot into Intune. Once booted into the USB, select option 3 to build the Windows system and keep the USB contents. Selecting Y and continuing means you understand that the data will be deleted and not recoverable. The system will immediately format the device's disk, ready for the new image. The process will now apply the image to the system. This may take a few minutes as it copies the data over. Once complete, it will move on to the next phase. The next phases happen promptly, which includes applying the offline autopilot profile. Type exit and press return. You can safely turn the system off, box it up, and ship it to the user for them to set up. If you have an issue, please contact the service desk.